Nexet. Nexet Revolution is the world's first complete holistic crop production system. It's a powerful, wide-span carrier vehicle with interchangeable implements that can perform tillage, sowing, plant protection, and harvesting tasks using modular attachments developed in close collaboration with well-known and reputable manufacturers. The modules can be swapped by one person in under 10 minutes. The new Roper Mars 6. The new Roper Mars 6 combines proven technical solutions with modern design. The 10.2 meters pickup system concept, improved in performance and efficiency, combines practice-oriented developments with technological innovations from Roper House. The newly designed panoramic cab gives a spacious feel and can be raised up to 5-10 meters in working mode for comfortable operation and excellent visibility. It provides improved ergonomics with 2 new joysticks with additional features. The New Holland Broad 9090X. The New Holland Broad 9090X is designed for easy setup to work in different super-intensive orchards in the minimum amount of time for maximum efficiency. It features a flexible SDC shaking system with flexible rear rod fixation that softly shakes and detaches fruits. The Noria basket system offers the best treatment for the harvested crop. Cleaning is easier with conveyor system and a high-performance cleaning fan. David Baumann pumpkins are Europe's largest pumpkin producer. They use a pumpkin harvester to save time and labor. It can get several pumpkins in just a few minutes. This massive machine can best be described as a moving cabbage factory. 2 harvesting heads pick up the crop and transfer it into boxes for long-term storage. On the one hand, the telescopic axle ensures safe road transport with a machine width of only 3 meters. On the other hand, it provides maximum driving stability in the field as the axle can be extended by an impressive 500 millimeters. The AR4BX is a potato harvester's biplugger. The high-capacity bunker, 14 tons, is critical for an efficient harvest operation. The bunker has enough capacity to quickly fill a truck and buffer for the next one. Because the machine can unload during harvest operation, it allows continuous digging, saving time and increasing the overall capacity of the harvest operation. The Kvenland 6300S Variomat offers outstanding plowing performance and low operating cost. The large rear wheel optimized the weight transfer for the perfect stability during transport and plowing. Robust plow with Cat 3/4 headstocks are suitable to powerful tractors. These plows feature the aeroprofile leg for easy plowing in high residues, central adjustment of skimmers for optimized operations and plowing performance. FarmDroid FD20 is an innovative field robot that helps reduce costs of sowing and weeding crops while also doing it in a CO2 neutral and ecological way. an automatic lightweight field robot that automates sowing and weed removal on farmland. It avoids the risk of doing structural damage to the ground because of heavy equipment. Plantma X is a machine developed by Plantma AB for mechanized plantation of forestry seedlings. The machine will cultivate the ground, compact it, and plant a seedling in one pass. Under perfect conditions, the machine can plant over 40 seedlings per minute. At the same time, it can collect and store data of the operation. The Stinger Stracker powertrain includes an engine providing 1,250 pounds of torque. The chassis frame is built of high tensile steel. The Stinger's cab includes industry-leading features like construction-designed seat cruise control, 3M UV ray blocking window tint, and many other features to make those long days go by smoothly. You can use the hydraulic comb rake both frontally and rear-mounted. This double side delivery rake with a central swath has 10 reels. It has 3 main swiveling wheels and 2 lateral wheels.